this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. We are redoing our building. We went ahead and painted it, wrapping our bay door. That's why we don't have our sign up. But we are working on a 2021 Z71 Chevy. We basically did a little system in here. So we kept everything factory in the front. Why is this thing beeping? We basically did Audison components in the front doors. We did the two ways. So we got the tweeters up in the dash. We machined some adapters. We sell those on our website. We sell the adapters for the front door on our website as well. So they just drop right in there. We did the Audison APK 165s or 2 ohm. That's kind of cool. So we ran a 4-channel amp. So we ran the Hertz HCP4DK. And what we did, we ended up running 250 by 2 on the front channels. So the highs are pretty loud in the front. And then we bridged the other 2 channels to the sub in the back here. So it put, what, 520 to those. So that's a pretty good setup. And then just using a single 4-channel amp. And then we actually put the 4-channel amp underneath the seat here. And then we did a single sub here. So we did this. What we ended up doing is we ended up keeping this factory storage tray and we just cut it. And it butts right up to it. And then we ended up doing the sub here. Kept the, I guess he's got weather mat, floor mats here. But it's contoured to the seat. So it's made for the truck. We actually machined it on our CNC. Planed it down and everything. We do have a bigger box. We have up to a 410 box that goes all the way across in these. And this is about 0.4 cubic feet for the AudioMobile sub. They work in real small boxes. These things sound awesome. So you can do a single sub, 2 subs, 3 subs, 4 subs, whatever you want to do back here. It's got a lot of space. So, but yeah, give us a call. We're in Jacksonville. You can check out our website, store.audiodesigncg.com. If you want to buy some products that are made specifically for this truck rather than just some flimsy adapters. Or give us a call at 904-333-2322.